That's the story I was telling you about. I wanted to get your thoughts.
Looks amazing, MJ. Can't wait to read it.
Wait, you're still in the suit. I thought Connors was gonna help you get it off. What about Harry?
Sorry, can we do this tomorrow? Just so beat from Lizard Wrangler.
That many guns.
Copy that.
Can't go out the windows. Downstairs is my only shot. Where are you, Peter?
Hey, you've reached Pete. It's good enough. Leave a message.
Heading to the back. H2 report. Looks like it's not just the spider living here.
If they've got the front and back covered, maybe I can go through the basement. Please don't squeak. Thank you. Pete's workbench. Web shooters? Perfect.
Send in a secondary team. Full sweep of the house.
It's him! Peter? Have to get past these hunters to find Pete.
You went down the next street over.
H3, secure your area in case he doubles back.
If I don't find Pete before they do.
Anyone gets curious, point them. Kramer wants the spider tonight. Nothing gets in the way.
headed toward the next street over. Maybe I can cut through.
Who took out H2?
Unclear. Just stick to your areas. If we find anything in the house, I'll tell you.
Copy.
Hey! The hell's going on out there? Don't tell me to shush!
Get inside. Stay quiet.
He's heading for the construction area!
Pete's up ahead in that new construction.
He comes back this way. Make sure you do not hit him with more than 2 bullets.
He's changing. I think we need more.
Listen up. The spider's not alone. That damn woman from the zoo is helping. She took out everyone in the house. I'll skin her myself. After the spider has been caught.
More things go wrong. The more excited I am. Everything's unexpected now.
This is H10. Checking construction area now. First house clear. Checking second house. Second house clear. Checking third house.
I think Pete went this way.
Maybe we should just go loud and wake everyone up here. Really flush the spider out. But fun. We're losing time anyway. The spider will keep moving.
He can't run forever.
Hope Pete's still behind there.
Move in! Everyone else, stick to your post!
How do I get to that house?
My hunters, you have been stalked by that woman this whole night as you tracked the spider. When you find him, she will be nearby.
How do I get to that house?
My hunters, you have been stalked by that woman this whole night as you tracked the spider. When you find him, she will be nearby. Bring them both to me.
I'll find it. There's nothing here. Don't let it go!
Oh no.
You better hope!
The reporter is down!
How do I get to that house?
My hunters, you have been stalked by that woman this whole night as you tracked the spider. When you find
I'm on it.
Where did he go? The window. Peter, I need you to come. Miles,
Look up!
go after him.
Sorry I'm late. The hell's going on with Pete?
He's not himself. I think it has something to do with that suit. It's called a symbiote, and it's an alien.
What? Like he's wearing an alien?
Just help him, Miles. Please.
I'm on it, MJ. I'm on it. Spider-Man! It's me! He just threw a manhole cover at me!
Are you sure it was at you?
Pretty sure! He stopped outside the Queensboro Tunnel! There are hunters everywhere!
I'm heading over there now. Don't let the hunters chase him away again.
You got it!
Get out of there! Hold the move! The tunnel! He's in the tunnel!
Spider-Man, stop! What's going on? Talk to me! I thought he was just being weird before, but this is way different. It's like he's not even there.
Above us! It's Rita!
Whoa! Whoa! Spider-Man! Me! Spider-Man, remember? Come on, snap out of it! How am I gonna finish my college essay without my favorite tutor?
I'm almost there, Miles. How's Peter?
Angry and not listening to anything I say.
We might have to try something else then.
I'm open to suggestions.
On the move! Take my sight! Miles, I need you to seal me and Pete in the tunnels.
What?
If I can just talk to him alone, I know I can snap him out of this.
MJ, I don't know if that's the best...
Now, Miles!
Man! MJ, are you okay?
Yeah. But I don't see Pete. Hang on. Wait! I just want to talk. I don't want to hurt you. Where are you going? Stop! You're gonna flood the tunnel! Stupid. Pete? I know you're still in there, Peter. You have to be.
Any updates, MJ? How's everything going in there?
I found Peter, but he's asleep.
Is that good?
I don't... I'm gonna try to wake him. Can you hold off the hunters for a little while longer?
I'll try. Oh no. The crane won't respond! Hang on! Wait. Спасибо. You're welcome. Open it!
Pete, wake up. Wake up! This might sting a little.
MJ.
I wasn't trying to hurt you! Don't look, don't look! That's enough! There! That's my exit! Hope you managed better than I did, Miles.
We searched the whole tunnel. He is gone.
For now. But he will come to me soon enough.
How did I end up sleeping on a park bench? And why does it feel like I had the best sleep of my life? Weird dreams, though. Harry left another message.
Pete? I really need that suit back.
Dad's working on a new cure, but I don't know. Bring it back, please.
Bugle Web Alert! New article from MJ! Wait, she published before I could read it?
If there's one thing New Yorkers hate, it's obstruction of traffic. And right now, due to certain webheads, I'm being forced to podcast from my car. Because there you are. Ready for the pain?
This stops now!
Grab this, Spider-Man! All black for your funeral?
Tell your friends, New York is closed. MJ, what are you doing? Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I need that suit back.
Pete. What do you remember about last night?
I just remember feeling tired.
Pete. You're not yourself. That suit is changing you.
This suit is the only reason I'm still alive.
Yeah, it's pretty great, isn't it?
Why don't you pop some more pills and say what you're really feeling?
Hey, don't.
I'm busting my ass out there trying to save you, and this is what I get?
I said don't.
I saw your story.
I tried to tell you about that.
Yeah, but you didn't, did you?
I can't lose this job,
Your
Pete.
job is to write the truth.
I did.
The truth is, I'm the hero here, not you.
Oh. How was your visit with Harry?
Don't worry, Harry's gonna get better.
Thank you for being his friend. Watching you two grow up together. You're like a son to me. I am so proud
of the man you've become.
Thanks, Mr. Osborn. I gotta run.
Are you okay?
Go. Please.
Harry.
I said to leave!
A lot of work to do. And as usual, looks like I gotta do it myself.
Peter, where is Miles? He didn't come home last night, and he's not answering my calls. Hello? I'm at my office. Tell him to come see me. Now.
Why can't anyone take care of themselves? It's always up to me. Those civilians are in trouble. I'm coming! You guys are done! Talk about weak.